This is an update on ITCI, intracellular therapies, and where we are off this rising wedge pattern here. We broke down today, had a pretty solid sell signal today. Did have a brief bounce in the close, but top to bottom broke this beautiful trend here, and at least that was a huge 6.97% from top to bottom, 7% drop throughout the entire day, and that's an ugly candle. Just furthers the damage off some of these indicators as well. Steepens the divergences. Got this nice steep divergence now between the RSI. Crossovers on the MACD and oscillator as well have already been confirmed here, and maybe a potential gun for its zero line. But here we are. I mean, I could zoom out here, and what a stunning look at chart where we have this huge divergent high, divergences that have just continued to construct and develop since the beginning of January 2020, and a primary trend line here off the October 2019 lows. Plenty of reaction to validate it, and usually they sometimes act like magnets to come and revisit and retest these trend lines, which would coincide with that 47.17 price support alongside that 200-day moving average as well. So we'll see if we even get it, but again, that is a sell signal. That's as good as a sell signal as you can get. We could potentially have a counter trend rally back up to retest the bottom of that primary trend line, which would offer an objective entry short trade. Even if we do get that counter trend rally, we do have, and we'll just put in a larger divergence. And again, usually the larger divergence that keeps in stack, as long as those divergences, negative divergences, don't get burned out. The bigger the divergences, the bigger the drops, and that's the way it goes. Again, we haven't seen any day like this closely remote to ITC since the beginning of January 2022's volatility, so we'll see how it plays out. As for now, this is a sell signal in my opinion, and we'll see if we gun for that 58.13 price support. We take out that 58.13 price support, will coincide with that 50-day moving average as well. And if we take out that 50-day moving average, we'll probably gun down to that 55.42 and retest these zero lines on both momentum indicators, which will only further damage the technicals. So we'll see how it plays out. Keep you updated if I see anything new.